नमस्ते बच्चों, सभी को मेरे हिंदी क्लास में स्वागत है। इन दिस सेशन वी विल बी डूइंग चैप्टर 12 तंतारा वामिरो कथा फ्रॉम स्पर्श भाग 2। I have already done some chapters of Sparsh Bhag 2 as well as Sanchayan Bhag 2. I will be sharing the link of all the videos in my description. If you have not seen it, kindly go through the same. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell button for further notification of my videos. Please do share my videos with your friends also so that it will be useful to them as well. This is a love story of Tantara and Vamiro. The traditions and customs followed in that village leads to a tragic end to the love story of Tantara and Vamiro. The sacrifice made by them brings a drastic change in the systems and the culture which was followed in that village. Now let's start the chapter. अंडमान द्वीप समूह का अंतिम दक्षिणी द्वीप है लिटिल अंडमान. So this story is all about Andaman and Nicobar Island. Like this love story generally has been taken place in Andaman and Nicobar Island. अंडमान द्वीप समूह का अंतिम दक्षिणी द्वीप है लिटिल अंडमान. अंतिम means end, दक्षिणी means south. So this little Andaman is at the end of Andaman द्वीप समूह island. यह पोर्ट ब्लेयर से लगभग 100 किलोमीटर दूर स्थित है. पोर्ट ब्लेयर is the capital of Andaman द्वीप समूह, Andaman and Nicobar. So it is almost 100 kilometer away from Port Blair. इसके बाद निकोबार द्वीप समूह की श्रृंखला आरंभ होती है. श्रृंखला means सीमा और border. So after this Andaman, the little Andaman, it starts the border of Nicobar Island starts, जो निकोबारी जनजाति की आदिम संस्कृति के केंद्र हैं. आदिम मीन्स ओल्ड, संस्कृति ट्रेडिशन, जनजाति मीन्स ट्राइब. So this once this little Andaman ends and the border of this Nicobar Dweep Island starts, what is it famous for? This is considered as basically the center of old tradition of this Nicobari tribes. निकोबार द्वीप समूह का पहला प्रमुख द्वीप है कार निकोबार, जो लिटिल अंडमान से 96 किलोमीटर दूर है. निकोबार द्वीप समूह, in this Nicobar Island, the first main island which comes, they have named it as Car Nicobar, and this Car Nicobar is almost 96 kilometer away from Little Andaman. निकोबारियों का विश्वास है कि प्राचीन काल में ये दोनों द्वीप एक ही थे. So what was the belief of this Nicobaris? They believed that in the olden days, during the olden times, both these islands were one, like it were the same. इनके विभक्त होने की एक लोक कथा है जो आज भी दोहराई जाती है. So there is a story. लोक कथा means it's a belief or it's a story which has been followed from many years. Okay, so there is a story behind these two islands became separated. So there is a story behind that, and this story has been repeated everywhere in this Nicobar. सदियों पूर्व जब लिटिल अंडमान और कार निकोबार आपस में जुड़े हुए थे, तब वहाँ एक सुंदर सा गांव था. सदियों पूर्व means several years back. So when several years back, when this little Andaman and Car Nicobar was a single island, at that time there was a very beautiful village in that place. पास में एक सुंदर और शक्तिशाली युवक रहा करता था. So a very beautiful and strong young man used to live near to that village. उसका नाम था तंतारा. His name was तंतारा. निकोबारी उसे बेहद प्रेम करते थे. People of Nicobar, they used to love him a lot. तंतारा एक नेक और मददगार व्यक्ति था. So what was the character of Tantara? He was a very noble as well as helpful person. सदैव दूसरों की सहायता के लिए तत्पर रहता. Every time, like whenever you go for help, he is ready to help others. So he is always ready to help others. अपने गांव वालों को ही नहीं अपितु समूचे द्वीपवासियों की सेवा करना अपना परम कर्तव्य समझता था. So he not only used to help his villagers, but the people who used to live nearby villages, he used to help them also, and he used to consider this as his main duty, first duty, to help his villages as well as the nearby villages. उसके इस त्याग की वजह से वह चर्चित था. So because of his helpful and sacrificing nature, tyag means sacrifice. So he was discussed and he was very famous among all the people. सभी उसका आदर करते थे. Everybody used to respect him. वक्त मुसीबत में उसे स्मरण करते और वह भागा भागा वहाँ पहुँच जाता. So whenever people like they are in trouble or they are in need, they just think about Tantara and he used to reach there immediately, like as soon as possible he'll be there to help them. दूसरे गांवों में भी पर्व त्योहारों के समय उसे विशेष रूप से आमंत्रित किया जाता था. So in other villages also during the festivals and all, they used to invite him. A special invitation was used to given, generally used to give to तंतारा. उसका व्यक्तित्व तो आकर्षक था ही, साथ ही आत्मीय स्वभाव की वजह से लोग उसके करीब रहना चाहते थे. So his personality was very attractive. व्यक्तित्व means personality, आकर्षक means attractive. So his personality was very attractive. At the same time, his आत्मीय स्वभाव, that a peaceful and noble type of behavior, what exactly happens because of that? People used to get close to him. So everybody always tried to close to him and get attached to him. पारंपरिक पोशाक के साथ वह अपनी कमर में सदैव एक लकड़ी की तलवार बांधे रहता था. So he always used to wear that traditional dress. पारंपरिक पोशाक means traditional dress. At the same time, he used to tie a wooden sword on his waist. That is every time you will find that wooden sword in his waist. लोगों का मत था, बावजूद लकड़ी क्या होने पर उस तलवार में अद्भुत दैवीय शक्ति है. So what was the belief of the people? Although this sword is made up of wooden, it's wood, still it is having some divine power in that sword. तंतारा अपनी तलवार को कभी अलग न होने देता. He never used to keep that sword separate from him. So every time you will find that sword along with him. उसका दूसरों के सामने उपयोग भी ना करता. And he never used to use that sword in front of others also. किंतु उसके चर्चित साहसिक कारनामों के कारण लोग बाग तलवार के अद्भुत शक्ति होना मानते थे. But because of his famous, like he has done so many brave deeds, many works he has done. There were many incidents, brave incidents about him, and that was very famous. Because of only that, the people used to believe that there is some divine power in that sword. एक शाम तंतारा दिन भर के अधिक परिश्रम के बाद समुद्र किनारे टहलने निकल पड़ा. So what happened one day, like the entire day he was working very hard, and the evening he just went to the seashore for a walk. सूरज समुद्र से लगे क्षितिज तले डूबने को था. क्षितिज, it's a place where we feel like where the sky and your earth meets. It's like from when we look from that seashore, we can feel like a point where these sky and earth is meeting. So that is basically Kshitij means. So it was all about like the sun was going to set. समुद्र से ठंडी बयारें आ रही थी. बयारें means wind. So from that sea, the cold wind was coming. पक्षियों की सायाकालीन चहचहाटें शनै शनै क्षीण होने को थी. So the birds, they were in the evening, the chirping of that birds was slowly reducing. उसका मन शांत था. His mind was totally very peaceful. विचारमग्न तंतारा समुद्री बालू पर बैठक सूरज की अंतिम रंग बिरंगी किरणों को समुद्र पर निहारने लगा. So Tantara was totally lost in thoughts, and he was just sitting on the seashore, and he was looking, or he was just admiring the beauty of the sunset. Because at that time, if you see, there are like red colors, so here they are saying different colors he was able to see during that sunset, and he was just admiring that beauty. तभी कहीं पास से उसे मधुर गीत गूंजता सुनाई दिया. So what happened at that time? He just he can hear a very melodious voice. He could hear a very melodious voice which was coming from nearby that place only. गीत मानो बहता हुआ उसकी तरफ आ रहा हो. So how he was feeling that music was just flowing towards him. बीच बीच में लहरों का संगीत सुनाई देता. And in between he could hear the music, that the sound of that waves, which they are saying it as a music. Okay, here it is, लहरों का संगीत means the waves, the sound of the waves. Here they are comparing that waves to that music. गायन इतना प्रभावी था कि वह अपने सुध-बुध खोने लगा. So that song, it was so effective. Prabhavi means effective, that he started losing his sense. Like he was involved. He was getting involved into that music. लहरों के एक प्रबल वेग ने उसकी तंद्रा भंग की. So what happened? He was totally lost in that music. At that time, a sudden wave came, and he just came back to his normal sense. Okay, he was totally lost, but that wave made him come back to his normal sense. चैतन्य होते ही वह उधर बढ़ने को विवश हो उठा. So the moment he came back to his normal sense, what happened? He was feeling so helpless, and he started moving towards the sound from where it is coming. जिधर से अब भी गीत के स्वर बह रहे थे. So he was just moving towards that sound from where that sound or that music was coming. वह विकल सा उस तरफ बढ़ता गया. Vikal means he was very बेचैन. Vikal means बेचैन or restless. So he was very restless. He was just moving towards that sound, that music. अंतत उसकी नज़र एक युवती पर पड़ी जो ढलती हुई शाम के सौंदर्य में बेसुध एकटक समुद्र के देह पर डूबते आकर्षक रंगों को निहारते हुए गा रही थी. So in the end, he just saw a young lady. Yuvati means a young lady. What she was doing there, she was just watching that sunset. She was just admiring that sunset, and she was admiring the beauty, and she was just focusing on that, and she was attracted towards that different colors. While sunset, you can see that reddish color and orange color. She was just admiring that beauty, and she was just totally lost in that, and she was singing the song. यह एक श्रृंगार गीत था, and that was a love song. उसे ज्ञात ही न हो सका कि कोई अजनबी युवक उसे निशब्द ताके जा रहा है. So she could not even recognize or realize that a stranger young man was silently staring at her. एकाएक एक ऊंची लहर उठी और उसे भिगो गई. Suddenly what happened? A big wave came and it soaked her. वह हड़बड़ाहट में गाना भूल गई. So she became so nervous and she just forgot that song. इसके पहले कि वह सामान्य हो पाती, उसने अपने कानों में गूंजती गंभीर आकर्षक आवाज़ सुनी. So by the time she could become normal, she was not even normal. She heard a very serious and very attractive voice that just came into her ears. तुमने एकाएक इतना मधुर गाना अधूरा क्यों छोड़ दिया? So what Tantara asked that young lady, why did you suddenly stop that song? Why didn't you complete that song? कि अधूरा means incomplete. Tantara ने विनम्रता पूर्वक कहा. विनम्रता means very politely he said. अपने सामने एक सुंदर युवक को देखकर वह विस्मित हुई. So what happened when she saw that young lady saw a very beautiful young man? What happened to her? She was really shocked. Vismit means she was surprised to see that young man standing in front of her. उसके भीतर किसी कोमल भावना का संचार हुआ. So what happened inside her? There was some soft feeling. It was just flowing inside her. किंतु अपने को संयम कर उसने बेरुखी के साथ जवाब दिया. But what she did, she controlled herself and very rudely she answered him. पहले बताओ तुम कौन हो? इस तरह मुझे घूरने और इस असंगत प्रश्न का कारण. So what she asked? First you tell me who are you? Why you are staring at me and how can you ask me such an inappropriate question? अपने गांव के अलावा किसी और गांव के युवक के प्रश्नों का उत्तर देने को मैं बाध्य नहीं. So what she said, like she is only liable to answer. What she is saying, I am only liable to answer the answer the young man, the young people of my village, not from any other village. I am not liable for that. ये तुम भी जानते हो and you also know that. तंतारा मानो सुध-बुध खोए हुआ था. But what was the position of Tantara? He was totally lost. Okay, he was not able to understand what this young lady is saying. He was totally lost in that song and in that young lady. जवाब देने के स्थान पर उसने पुनः अपना प्रश्न दोहराया. So instead of answering the question of that lady, what he did, he again repeated his question. The question which he was asking, he again repeated that question. तुमने गाना क्यों रोक दिया? Why did you stop that song? गाओ, गीत पूरा करो. Please sing, complete that song. सचमुच तुमने बहुत सुरीला कंठ पाया है. So what he's saying, very like you have got a very melodious voice. यह तो मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर ना हुआ, युवती ने कहा. So what that young lady said, this is not an answer to my question. सच बताओ तुम कौन हो? You tell me the truth. Who are you? लपाती गांव में तुम्हें कभी देखा नहीं. I have never seen you in my village. The village name is Lapati. So I have never seen you in my Lapati village. तंतारा मानो सम्मोहित था. But what was the condition of Tantara? He was totally hypnotized. सम्मोहित means hypnotized. उसके कानों में युवती की आवाज़ ठीक से पहुंच न सकी. The voice of that young lady, he was not able to listen that properly because he was totally lost in that song. उसने पुनः विनय किया. Again he requested, तुमने गाना क्यों रोक दिया? गाओ ना. Why did you stop that song? Please sing. युवती झुंझला उठी. Now that young lady got irritated. वह कुछ और सोचने लगी. She started to think something. अंततः उसने निश्चयपूर्वक एक बार पुनः लगभग विरोध करते हुए कड़े स्वर में कहा. So in the end what she did, again she asked him the same thing and she was like totally in a very rude voice. Okay, something like which she was not happy. She's continuously asking something and he's not answering to that and he's repeating the same thing. So she got irritated and she just opposed to that and she was in a very rude voice she asked him again. धीरता की हद है. So धीरता means dare, like how dare you, there is a limit for everything. मैं जब से परिचय पूछ रही हूँ और तुम बस एक ही राग आलाप रहे हो. I am asking about your identity and you are just repeating the same thing again and again. गीत गाओ, आखिर क्यों? Sing the song. Why should I? क्या तुम्हें गांव का नियम नहीं मालूम? Don't you know the rule of this village? इतना बोलकर वह जाने के लिए तेजी से मुड़ी. So just by saying that, she just turned back and she was just moving very fastly towards her village. तंतारा को मानो कुछ होश आया. So when she said that, तंतारा now started coming to his normal sense. उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ. He realized his mistake. वह उसके सामने रास्ता रोककर मानो गिड़गिड़ाने लगा. He just came in front of his way and he just tried to stop her and he was requesting, मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Just forgive me. जीवन में पहली बार मैं इस तरह विचलित हुआ हूँ. So in my life this is the first time I am like behaving like this or I am like reacting distracted like this. तुम्हें देखकर मेरी चेतना लुप्त हो गई. So I just I was totally out of my normal sense when I saw you. मैं तुम्हारा रास्ता छोड़ दूंगा. I'll just move away from your way. बस अपना नाम बता दो. You just tell me your name. तंतारा ने विवशता से आग्रह किया. So in a very helpless way, तंतारा requested or asked this young lady, just asked her name. उसकी आंखें युवती के चेहरे पर केंद्रित थी and his eyes was totally focused on that young lady. उसके चेहरे पर सच्ची विनय थी and there was a true real politeness was there in his eyes or in his face. वाह मीरो, एक रस घोलती आवाज़ उसके कानों में पहुंची. So what was the name of that lady? Vamiro. So when she said that name, how Tantara was feeling? Very soft, melodious voice just going into his ears. Vamiro. वाह कितना सुंदर नाम है. So what a beautiful name it is. कल भी आओगी ना यहाँ? Tomorrow also will come here, no? तंतारा ने याचना भरे स्वर में कहा. So Tantara just asked him in a very requesting mode. नहीं, शायद कभी नहीं. नो, मे बी नेवर. वामिरो ने अन्यमनस्कतापूर्वक कहा और झटके से लपाती की तरफ बेसुध सी दौड़ पड़ी. So Vamiro said it in a very joyful manner. Although she was just trying to show she is very rude, but inside she was having a soft feeling for Tantara also. And she just turned back and very in a insensitive way she just she just ran towards her village. पीछे तंतारा के वाक्य गूंज रहे थे. But just beside him, what तंतारा sentences were echoing. वामिरो, मेरा नाम तंतारा है. And what he was saying, वामिरो, my name is तंतारा. कल मैं इसी चट्टान पर प्रतीक्षा करूंगा. I'll be waiting for you here only tomorrow as well. तुम्हारी बात जो होगा. And what he said, I will just here itself I will wait for you. बात जो होगा means रास्ता देखना means I will be waiting for you here. ज़रूर आना, please come, like you have to come. वामिरो रुकी नहीं, but वामिरो didn't stop. भागती ही गई. She was just running. तंतारा उसे जाते हुए निहारता रहा. He was just admiring or he was just looking at her when this वामिरो was running. वामिरो घर पहुंचकर भीतर ही भीतर कुछ बेचैनी महसूस करने लगी. So Vamiro, when she reached back home, she was feeling some restlessness inside her. उसके भीतर तंतारा से मुक्त होने की एक झूठी चटपटाहट थी. So what she was, although she liked him, but what she was trying to make her like feel that okay, I'm just like I'm here, I am safe, that type of feeling, that was not a real one. She was just trying to create such feeling like inside her. एक चिल्लाहट में उसने दरवाज़ा बंद किया. She just forcefully like closed the door और मन को किसी और दिशा में ले जाने का प्रयास कर रही थी. And she was just trying to divert herself from that whatever incident happened there. बार बार तंतारा का याचना भरा चेहरा उसकी आंखों में तैर रहा था. But what was happening, that requesting, that pleading face of Tantara was coming in front of her eyes every time. उसने तंतारा के बारे में कई कहानियाँ सुन रखी थी. So she heard, before that also she heard about Tantara story many times. उसकी कल्पना में वह एक अद्भुत साहसी युवक था. So in her thoughts he was a very brave young man. किंतु वही तंतारा उसके सम्मुख एक अलग रूप में आया. But the way she saw Tantara, he was totally a different person. The personality which she was having in her mind and the person whom she saw was totally different. सुंदर, बलिष्ठ किंतु बेहद शांत, सभ्य और भोला. So he was very beautiful, very strong, very peaceful and a very innocent type of person. उसका व्यक्तित्व कदाचित वैसा ही था जैसा वह अपने जीवन साथी के बारे में सोचती रही थी. And the personality which he was having, it was totally the same. That she was also having some expectation about her life partner. So the Tantara was also similar to that. It was same like that only. किंतु एक दूसरे गांव के युवक के साथ यह संबंध परंपरा के विरुद्ध है. But this type of feelings or any relation with someone who is not from their village, it is against their tradition. अतएव उसने उसे भूल जाना ही श्रेयस्कर समझा. So what she felt, what is correct, just to forget about him, because that is something which is not possible. किंतु यह असंभव जाना पड़ा. But this was something which was not possible. This was totally impossible for her. तंतारा बार बार उसकी आंखों के सामने था. Tantara's face was every time it was coming in front of her eyes. निर्निमेष याचक की तरह प्रतीक्षा में डूबा हुआ. Someone who is requesting and pleading in front of him or waiting for him. So that type of face was every time coming in front of Vamiro. किसी तरह रात बीती. So हम somehow that night passed. दोनों के हृदय व्यथित थे. So both of them were very disturbed or totally affected, or you can say unhappy. किसी तरह आज रहित एक ठंडा और उबाऊ दिन गुजरने लगा. So somehow that day started passing, but it was like totally wastage or total, like it was not an effective day. They were just wasting the time. It was like that only. शाम की प्रतीक्षा थी. So he was waiting mainly for the evening to come. तंतारा के लिए मानो पूरे जीवन की अकेली प्रतीक्षा थी. So for Tantara, this was the only wait, thing it was left, because if Vamiro will not come, it is going to affect him. So this was the only expectation that was left in him. उसके गंभीर और शांत जीवन में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ था. So in his this very serious and peaceful life, this incident was happening for the first time. वह अचंभित था, साथ ही रोमांचित भी था. So he was like totally, you can say he was very surprised. At the same time, he was very excited also. Achambit means shocked and romanchit means excited. दिन ढलने के काफ़ी पहले वह लपाती की उस समुद्री चट्टान पर पहुंच गया. So before the sunset, so like many hours before only, he reached to that place. वामिरो की प्रतीक्षा में एक एक पल पहाड़ की तरह भारी था. So since he was waiting for Vamiro, so that a single moment, it was very hard to pass a single each and every moment. उसके भीतर एक आशंका भी दौड़ रही थी. So there was a doubt also which was there in his mind. अगर वामिरो ना आई तो, in case if Vamiro will not come, then what will happen? वह कुछ निर्णय नहीं कर पा रहा था. So his condition was like that. His condition was like he was not able to take any decision. सिर्फ प्रतीक्षारत था. Only what he can do, only he can wait. बस आस की एक किरण थी जो समुद्र की देह पर डूबती किरणों की तरह कभी भी डूब सकती थी. So how his expectation was like, it was like a sunset, so it can end any time. So there was only a single ray of expectation which he was having. वह बार बार लपाती के रास्ते पर नजरें दौड़ा था. So what he was doing every time, he was just focusing on that way route from where this Vamiro will come. सहसा नारियल के झुरमुटों के में उसे एक आकृति कुछ साफ हुई. So what happened immediately at that time, in between that coconut tree, he just saw a figure. Something like it was becoming clear. कुछ और. So it was getting clear more and more. उसकी खुशी का ठिकाना न रहा. So he was not able to control his happiness. सचमुच वो वामिरो थी. So really, who was she? She was वामिरो. लगा जैसे वह घबराहट में थी. And how he was feeling, like how वामिरो was coming. She was very nervous. वह अपने को छुपाते हुए बढ़ रही थी. So she was trying to hide herself between this coconut tree and she was coming forward. बीच बीच में इधर उधर दृष्टि दौड़ाना ना भूलती. So in between what she was doing, she was looking here and there. That was also she was doing continuously. फिर तेज कदमों से चलती हुई तंतारा के सामने आकर ठिठक गई. Then she just started like walking fast and she just came in front of Tantara and she stopped there. दोनों शब्दहीन थे. So both of them were speechless. कुछ था जो दोनों के भीतर बह रहा था. So there was something which was going inside them. एकटक निकारते हुए वे जाने कब तक खड़े रहे. So they were just staring or looking at each other and they don't know till how long they were standing like that. सूरज समुद्र के लहरों में कहीं खो गया था. That means the sun was like setting. It was already dark. एकटक अंधेरा बढ़ रहा था. So it was getting darker more and more. अचानक वामिरो कुछ सचेत हुई और घर की तरफ दौड़ पड़ी. So what happened? They were staring at each other, but immediately that Vamiro came to her normal sense and she just started running towards her home. Why? Because it was getting dark. तंतारा अब भी वहाँ खड़ा था, but तंतारा was still standing there, निश्चल शब्दहीन. He was totally speechless and without any movement he was standing there. दोनों रोज उसी जगह पहुंचते और मूर्तिवत एक दूसरे को निर्निमेष ताकते रहते. So what they used to do every day, they used to come to that place and they used to stand like a statue. मूर्तिव्रत means they used to stand like a statue and just they used to stare at each other. बस भीतर समर्पण था जो अनवरत गहरा रहा था. So there was something which was going inside them and it was getting deeper and deeper day by day. लपाती के कुछ युवकों ने इस मूक प्रेम को भाग लिया. So in that Lapati there were some young people who came to know about this speechless love. और खबर हवा की तरह बढ़ उठी. And how this news like spread like it was very fast, like a wind. That news spread all over that village. वामिरो लपाती ग्राम की थी और तंतारा पासा का. So Vamiro was from Lapati village and Tantara was from Pasa village. दोनों का संबंध संभव न था. So their relation was not possible. रीति अनुसार दोनों को एक ही गांव का होना आवश्यक था. So as per their tradition, both of them should be from the same village. वामिरो और तंतारा को समझाने बुझाने के कई प्रयास हुए. So everybody tried to convince them about the culture, tradition. Everybody tried. किंतु दोनों अडिग रहे. But both of them were very stern, like they will not leave each other. वे नियमित लपाती के उसी समुद्री किनारे पर मिलते रहे. So as like daily they made a routine. They used to meet at that seashore every day. अफवाहें फैलती रही. So the rumors were spreading like anything. कुछ समय बाद पासा गांव में पशु पर्व का आयोजन हुआ. So after some time in Pasa village, they organized one animal festival. पशु पर्व में हुष्ट पुष्ट पशुओं के प्रदर्शन के अतिरिक्त पशुओं से युवकों की शक्ति परीक्षा प्रतियोगिता भी होती है. So in that animal festival, what generally happens, not only they display healthy animals, but at the same time they organize a fight between it's a competition. It's a fight between these animals as well as young healthy people there. वर्ष में एक बार सभी गांव के लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं. So once in a year, the people from all the village they participate in this competition. बाद में नृत्य संगीत और भोजन का भी आयोजन होता है. So after that there are some entertainments also like dance, music as well as they organize food also. शाम से सभी लोग पासा में एकत्रित होने लगे. So in the evening what happened? People from different villages they started gathering in Pasa. धीरे धीरे विभिन्न कार्यक्रम शुरू हुए. Slowly variety of programs started. कार्यक्रम means program, विभिन्न means various. तंतारा का मन इन कार्यक्रमों में तनिक न था. But what was the situation of Tantara? He was not at all interested in all such programs. He was not at all focused in that. Where was his main focus? उसकी व्याकुल आंखें वामिरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त थी. His eyes were only interested in searching for वामिरो. It was totally busy. नारियल के झुंड के पेड़ के पीछे से उसे जैसे कोई झांकता दिखा. So he just noticed like somebody from behind that coconut tree. It was a group of coconut tree. Somebody was peeping from there. झांकना means peeping. उसने थोड़ा और करीब जाकर पहचानने की चेष्टा की. So what he did, he just figured like somebody is peeping from there. He just went somewhat near to that place and he just tried to figure out who exactly that person is. वह वामिरो थी जो भयवश सामने आने में झिझक रही थी. So who was that? That was Vamiro only and she was very much afraid and because of that only she was hesitant to come in front of तंतारा, झिझकना मीन्स हेसिटेंट, उसकी आंखें तरल थी, हर आइज वर वेट, होंठ कांप रहे थे, हर लिप्स वर शिवरिंग, तंतारा को देखते ही वह फूट कर रोने लगी। सो द मोमेंट शी सो तंतारा शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, तंतारा निश्चल हुआ, उसने कुछ बोलते ही उससे कुछ बोलते ही नहीं बन रहा था। सो व्हेन ही सॉ दिस वामिरो इज क्राइंग ही वाज वेरी अपसेट और ही वाज वेरी डिस्टर्ब्ड, ही वाज नॉट एबल टू से एनीथिंग, रोने की आवाज़ लगातार ऊंची होती जा रही थी, एंड द वॉइस ऑफ दिस वामिरो दैट हर क्राई इट वाज द वॉइस वाज इंक्रीजिंग। तंतारा तंतारा की कर्तव्य विमूढ़ था, मीन्स तंतारा वॉज वेरी पजल हेडेड। वामिरो के रुदन स्वरों को सुनकर उसकी माँ वहाँ पहुँची। सो when when this Vamiro was crying, when her mother heard that voice, she also reached there. और दोनों को देखकर आग बबूला हो उठी, and she was very much in anger when she saw both of them. सारे गांव वालों की उपस्थिति में यह दृश्य उसे अपमानजनक लगा। सो द एंटायर village people were there in front of them. She found this view as like very insulting for her. इस बीच गांव के कुछ लोग भी वहां पहुंच गए। So in between some people also reached there of their village. They also reached to that place. वामिरो की माँ क्रोध में उफन उठी। उफन मीन्स boiling. Okay, so she was very much like that anger she was not in a position to control. उसने तंतारा को तरह तरह से अपमानित किया। She insulted तंतारा in all possible ways. गांव के लोग भी तंतारा के विरुद्ध में आवाज़ें उठाने लगे। The people of that village also, they also started talking against तंतारा. They also started saying many things against him. यह तंतारा के लिए असहनीय था। So this is something which was not acceptable for तंतारा। वामिरो अब भी रोए जा रही थी। सो बट वामिरो, व्हाट वाज द पोजीशन ऑफ वामिरो? शी वाज स्टिल क्राइंग। तंतारा भी गुस्से से भर उठा। सो तंतारा वाज आल्सो बिकेम वेरी एंग्री। उसे जहाँ विवाह की निषेध परंपरा पर क्षोभ था, वहीं पर अपनी असहायता पर खींच। So he was very much furious about this custom and tradition about their marriage, because the people from different village they cannot marry. So he was very furious about that. At the same time he was also feeling very angry because of his helplessness. Sahayata means helplessness, खींच means angry. वामिरो का दुख उसे और भी गहरा कर रहा था, and the Vamiro's grief was deepening his that pain and anger more and more. उसे मालूम न था कि क्या कदम उठाना चाहिए। So he was not aware what step to be taken. अनायास उसका हाथ तलवार की मूठ पर जा ठिका। So what he did, just he was every time he just have a wooden sword on his waist, right? We learned it in the initial pages. So what he did, he just took that on the handle of that weapon. His hand went to that handle of that weapon and he just pulled that weapon from his waist. क्रोध से उसने तलवार निकाली और कुछ विचार करता रहा. He just took that sword from his waist and he was thinking for some time. क्रोध लगातार अग्नि की तरह बढ़ रहा था and his anger was increasing like a fire. It was increasing in every moment. लोग सहम उठे. People were little bit afraid. एक सन्नाटा सा खींच गया. So there was like it was totally pin drop silence at that place. जब कोई राह न सूझी तो क्रोध का शमन करने के लिए उसने शक्ति भर उसे धरती में घोंप दिया. To control his anger, what he did, he just took the sword and with the entire pressure he just dig that sword into the earth और ताकत से खींचने लगा. And with entire force he just started dragging that sword. वह पसीने से नहा उठा. He was totally sweat. सब घबराए हुए थे. All of them were very much afraid. वह तलवार को अपनी तरफ खींचते खींचते दूर पहुंच गए. He was dragging that sword towards him and he just like he reached almost an end. वह हाँफ रहा था. So what happened? He was वेरी टायर्ड. अचानक जहाँ तक लकीर खींच गई थी वहाँ एक दरार होने लगी. सो वेयर with that sword he made a line, no? And there what happened, cracks started becoming to come. मानो धरती दो टुकड़ों में बंटने लगी थी हो. What how it was feeling that the earth was being divided into two parts. एक गड़गड़ाहट से गूंजने लगी और लकीर के सीधे में धरती फटती ही जा रही थी. So there was a sound, it was coming, and from where this line was drawn, the earth was getting separated into two parts. द्वीप के अंतिम सिरे तक तंतारा धरती को मानो क्रोध से काटता जा रहा था. So till the end of that island, Tantara, because of that anger, he was just like drawing, or with his sword he was just drawing that line, or just taking that sword. सभी भयाकुल हो उठे. एवरीबडी वॉज वेरी मच अफ्रेड. लोगों ने ऐसे दृश्य की कल्पना न की थी. सो नोबडी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग सच अ व्यू. वे सिहर उठे. एवरीबडी वॉज वेरी मच अफ्रेड. उधर वामिरो फटती हुई धरती के किनारे चीखती हुई दौड़ रही थी, तंतारा तंतारा तंतारा. So Wamiro, when she saw that what happened, she was just running towards Tantara, and by calling his name, Tantara उसकी करुण चीख मानो गड़गड़ाहट में डूब गई थी. But Tantara was not able to hear that sound because of the sound. The earth was dividing into two parts. That because of that sound, he was not able to hear the sound of Wamiro. Tantara दुर्भाग्यशाल दूसरी तरफ था. Unfortunately, Tantara was on the other side. द्वीप के अंतिम सिरे तक धरती को चाकता वो जैसे ही अंतिम छोर पर पहुंचा, द्वीप के दो टुकड़े में विभक्त हो चुके थे. So by that time he reached to that end, and to the end of that area, it was already, that island was divided into two parts. एक तरफ तंतारा था, दूसरी तरफ वामिरो. So on the one end it was Tantara, on the other end it was Wamiro. तंतारा को जैसे ही होश आया, उसने देखा उसकी तरफ का द्वीप समुद्र में धंसने लगा है. So by the time Tantara came to his normal sense, what he found, that the area where he was standing, it was like just going inside to that, it is almost drowned. Okay, it was about to drown into that sea. वह छटपटाने लगा. उसने छलांग लगाकर दूसरा सिरा थामना चाहा. So he just, when he came to, then he realized that he's in trouble. So he just tried to jump and tried to hold on the other side of that द्वीप. किंतु पकड़ ढीली पड़ गई. But he was not able to hold it. वह नीचे की तरफ फिसलने लगा. He started falling down. वह लगातार समुद्र की सतह की तरफ फिसल रहा था. So he was just falling down towards that sea area. उसके मुंह से सिर्फ एक ही चीख उभर कर डूब रही थी, वामिरो वामिरो वामिरो. So while he was falling down also, at that time also from his mouth only single word was coming, and that was the name of Wamiro. उधर वामिरो भी तंतारा 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 पुकार रही थी, and on the other side Wamiro was also calling from his mouth also this तंतारा 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 word was only coming. तंतारा लहूलुहान हो चुका था. So he is totally full of blood. वह अचेत होने लगा. So he started becoming unconscious. और कुछ देर बाद उसे होश नहीं रहा. Totally he got faint after some time. वह कटे हुए द्वीप के अंतिम भूखंड पर पड़ा हुआ था. So in the second part, okay, when he divided that island into two parts, he was on the second part of that island and he was totally unconscious there. दूसरे हिस्से में संयोग जो दूसरे हिस्से से संयोगवश जुड़ा हुआ था, एंड इट वॉज कनेक्टेड टू द अदर एंड ऑफ द आइलैंड. बहता हुआ तंतारा कहाँ पहुँचा, बाद में उसका क्या हुआ, कोई नहीं जानता. सो दिस तंतारा वेयर ही रीच्ड इन द एंड, व्हाट हैपेंड टू हिम नोबडी नोस. इधर वामिरो पागल हो गई. So what happened to Wamiro? Because Tantara, she could not find Tantara, she lost Tantara, she got mad. वह हर समय तंतारा को खोजती हुई उसी जगह पहुंचती. एवरी टाइम शी come and in search of Tantara, and she reached to that place only where she last met Tantara, और घंटों बैठी रहती, and she sit there for hours. उसने खाना पीना छोड़ दिया था. She stopped eating, drinking, everything. परिवार से वह एक तरह से विलग हो गई थी. So people like his family members also, like they did not consider her anymore as their family member. They also started avoiding her. लोगों ने उसे ढूंढने की बहुत कोशिश की किंतु कोई सुराग न मिल सका. People tried many times to search her but they could not find them. आज न तंतारा है न वामिरो किंतु उसकी ये प्रेम कथा घर घर में सुनाई जाती है. So today there is no Tantara is also not there, Vamiro is also not there, but their love story, it is being discussed in each and every house. They tell the story to each members of their family. निकोबारियों का मत है कि तंतारा की तलवार से कार निकोबार जो 2 टुकड़े हुए उससे दूसरा लिटिल अंडमान है जो कार निकोबार से आज 96 किलोमीटर दूर स्थित है. सो व्हाट इज द बिलीफ ऑफ निकोबारी पीपल दैट दिस तंतारा ही डिवाइडेड दैट entire island into 2 parts with his sword. So the second part of that island is this little Andaman, which is now almost 96 kilometer away from कार निकोबार. निकोबारी इस घटना के बाद दूसरे गांव में भी आपसी वैवाहिक संबंध करने लगे. सो after this incident they now that culture is not being followed, they started having a relation or they accepted people from other villages also for marriage purpose. तंतारा वामिरो की त्यागमयी मृत्यु शायद इसी सुगत परिवर्तन के लिए था. So their sacrifice, the sacrifice of their love, whatever that was, why that happened, because for such a change, that change was required, right? So that's the sacrifice of their love resulted in such a beautiful change that they started accepting people from other villages also. With this we have finished the chapter. Hope you understood the chapter well. In case if you have any doubts, to send your queries to my comment box. I will review and revert to your queries. So prepare well for your exams. We will meet in the next session with a new chapter. Till then, take care and bye.